Welcome back. So I'm sharing the next product in the kit, which is Murphy's Oil Soap. So a couple little tips to get the most out of it. First of all, in the kit, you had this little green flyer, and it has great tips on what to avoid for not having healthy cleaning, and then also 2 recipes for specifically using Murphy's Oil Soap, which is your tub and sink cleaner and your toilet bowl cleaner. And toilet bowl cleaners and sink cleaners tend to be pretty toxic, so this is a great alternative for you. When you're going to be using it, you're going to want to dilute it because you don't want to use it full strength. And in the kit also came this spray bottle. So I'm going to show you how to do it safely. So I broke down the dilutions for you. And so for a 14-ounce spray bottle, you're only going to put a half of a tablespoon up to not quite a full tablespoon. So never put more than a tablespoon of cleaner in this. Too much is you're going to just be wasting your cleaner for sure. And what it does is it won't work as effective. This is measured out by the manufacturer to get the most for the cleaner. We tend to over glug, so don't just pour in there and glug. You really actually want to measure this. Another thing is when you're filling it up with water, fill it up with hot water. It'll make your cleaner work a little bit more effective. And always put your hot water in first before you put the cleaner in, because otherwise you're just going to have tons of bubbles and then your dilution will be off. Another thing I'd like you to do is always label it. So all I have here is a marker, a sticky pad, and tape. I just put Murphy's Oil Soap and a happy face because you always think you're going to remember what you have in your products. We never remember, and if you're not there, somebody else could use it and they could accidentally use it in the wrong way or not know what it is. So always label it. Also, anytime you get a new product, read the entire label, the front and the back of it. The label will give you great information of what to use it on, what not to use it on, your dilutions. Is there anything you need to know as far as for safety? It's just everything you need to know about this cleaner is on here. Always read your labels. It's especially important for products you've used forever. They're kind of grandfathered into your life. Go back and read those labels. Any new products you get, or if you haven't read the label in a while, go back and read the label. Another tip on using cleaners is never spray in the air. You never want to spray any cleaners in the air because this is not air and we shouldn't be breathing it. So anytime you have a cleaner, you spray it down on the surface itself or into a towel. You don't ever spray it in the air because we don't want to breathe it. We don't want to get it absorbed into us, and we don't want to cross-contaminate it with other products. So again, never spray it in the air. Read the label, label it, and measure it effectively. All right? Thanks so much and enjoy.